Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden light fixtures craft design ideas for woodworking projects. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating wooden light fixtures offers a unique and rewarding avenue for woodworking enthusiasts, blending functionality with artistry to illuminate spaces in style. One captivating design concept is the use of reclaimed wood to craft pendant lights that add character and warmth to any room. By selecting salvaged timber, artisans can create fixtures that tell a story, showcasing the wood's natural patina and imperfections, which serve as a testament to its history. The process begins with cutting the reclaimed wood into planks or blocks, which can then be assembled into geometric shapes, such as cubes or lanterns. These shapes not only provide visual interest, but also allow for the incorporation of light sources that cast beautiful shadows, enhancing the ambience of the space. Artisans can customize the design by experimenting with different arrangements of the wood pieces, perhaps layering them to create a three-dimensional effect or leaving gaps for light to filter through, resulting in an eye-catching focal point that draws attention and sparks conversation. Another intriguing idea is the creation of wooden wall sconces that combine natural materials with modern design. These sconces can be crafted from a single piece of wood, shaped into a sleek and minimalist form that complements contemporary interiors. By using a soft wood, such as pine or birch, artisans can carve or sand the wood into elegant curves and lines, allowing the natural grain to shine through. Incorporating LED strip lights or small Edison bulbs can add a touch of warmth and sophistication, creating a soft glow that enhances the overall atmosphere. The beauty of wooden wall sconces lies in their versatility. They can be designed to complement various decor styles, from rustic to industrial, making them suitable for different spaces in a home or office. Furthermore, artisans can explore the idea of using contrasting finishes, such as a matte exterior paired with a glossy interior, to create a striking visual effect that elevates the design. For those looking to make a bold statement, crafting a large, sculptural chandelier from wood can be an exciting project. This endeavor allows woodworkers to push their creative boundaries, designing a fixture that serves as both a source of light and a work of art. By using larger pieces of wood, such as beams or thick planks, artisans can create striking shapes, like cascading branches or swirling patterns that mimic natural forms. This type of chandelier can be particularly effective in dining areas or entryways, where it can serve as a dramatic centerpiece. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. To enhance the design further, artisans can incorporate various lighting elements, such as multiple bulbs arranged in clusters or integrated dimmable features to create adjustable ambience. The combination of wood's organic textures with the brightness of light can transform a space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels both luxurious and grounded. In addition to these larger fixtures, small wooden table lamps present another opportunity for creativity in light design. Artisans can experiment with different bases, such as turning a solid block of wood on a lathe to create a unique lamp stand, or constructing a base from intersecting wooden shapes for a more contemporary look. The lampshade can also be a canvas for expression. Artisans might choose to craft it from wood veneer, allowing light to softly filter through while showcasing intricate patterns or laser-cut designs. By incorporating various finishes, such as stains or paints, woodworkers can customize the appearance of the lamp to match the decor of the room, ensuring that each piece harmonizes with its environment. This project not only provides a functional lighting solution, but also allows for personal expression, as the table lamp can reflect the artisan's style and creativity. Another innovative concept is the design of wooden fixtures that integrate natural elements, such as live edge wood or incorporating plants into the lighting design. For example, a pendant light featuring a live edge wood slice can bring a touch of nature indoors, celebrating the organic beauty of the wood while providing illumination. This approach allows artisans to create pieces that resonate with the biophilic design trend, which seeks to connect people with nature. Additionally, integrating small planters into the light fixture can provide a unique twist, allowing plants to grow alongside the light source. This not only adds visual interest, but also enhances the air quality and overall ambience of the space. The interplay between natural wood and greenery can create a soothing environment, making it an ideal choice for spaces such as living rooms, offices, or even bathrooms. For those interested in incorporating technology, crafting smart wooden light fixtures can be an exciting direction. By integrating smart lighting systems, artisans can create fixtures that not only serve as decorative elements, but also offer functionality through apps or voice control. This could involve designing a wooden lamp with built-in Bluetooth speakers or allowing for adjustable color temperatures and brightness levels, enabling users to customize their lighting experience. The challenge lies in seamlessly integrating the technology with the wood design, ensuring that the fixture maintains its aesthetic appeal while providing modern conveniences. This fusion of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary technology can attract a broad audience, appealing to those who appreciate both the artistry of woodworking and the benefits of smart home innovations. Exploring various finishes, such as oils, varnishes, or waxes, can protect the wood while enhancing its natural beauty. Additionally, experimenting with techniques like whitewashing or distressing can create unique looks that cater to different decor styles, from farmhouse chic to modern elegance. The finishing touches not only elevate the aesthetic of the fixtures, but also contribute to their durability, ensuring that they withstand the test of time while maintaining their visual appeal. This attention to detail in the finishing process underscores the artisan's commitment to quality and craftsmanship, which can resonate with consumers seeking handmade, unique products. In crafting, wooden light fixtures presents a delightful opportunity for woodworkers to blend their skills with creativity, resulting in functional art that enhances the ambience of any space. From reclaimed wood pendant lights and minimalist wall sconces to sculptural chandeliers and innovative smart fixtures, the possibilities are vast and varied. Each project allows artisans to explore different techniques, materials, and designs while expressing their unique style and vision. The beauty of wooden light fixtures lies not only in their ability to provide illumination, but also in their potential to transform spaces, infusing them with warmth, character, and a touch of nature. As woodworkers embrace these design ideas, they contribute to a growing appreciation for handcrafted items that enrich our environments, making each light fixture a cherished addition to homes and spaces that celebrate the artistry of woodworking. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden light fixtures craft design ideas for woodworking projects. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.